In this video, I'll show you how to create a Microsoft Rewards account. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Rewards website. Once you are there, click on Sign In and log in with your Microsoft account. This can be an Outlook, Hotmail, or live email address. If you do not have a Microsoft account yet, you can create one for free. Make sure you are using a personal account. Work or school accounts usually do not work with Microsoft Rewards. Once you are signed in, go to the Rewards dashboard to fully activate your account. This is an important step, so make sure you do not skip it. After your account is activated, you can start earning points right away. You can earn points by searching on Bing, shopping at the Microsoft Store, or just using the Edge browser. The more you use these, the more points you collect. Microsoft Rewards is completely free to join. There are no fees at all.